Going to drill through the LCD screen. That's what it is, right?
Yes.
It should take a while. It did in the... I don't know. Oh, there it goes. It's smoking.
Yes, it is. Ah, there's a good view.
We don't really have anything going on right here.
Oh, we can also cover an area.
Yeah. I think I'm blocking. Can't really see it.
You got more of a reflection over here at the moment.
I think we're through the LCD screen.
Yeah. Wow.
That's awesome. Oh, it's cracked.
Yeah. Yeah.
I think we're in the plastic. Yeah. Nope, that's not through yet. But you can see that now.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure we're in the plastic. That's a cool design. Look at that.
Push down with your finger and move.
Let's see if we can go all the way through it. Do we have anything behind here? There we go. Yep, that was through. Ooh, knocked out the Dell symbol. That was precise. It's in the middle. That's pretty cool. See in the back. Yep, right through the middle. It's a little bit off. It's like taking a gunshot. It's an awesome effect.
Light reflection's horrible.